How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, Nightmare Boy Scout here, slash Mr. Nightmare here. And today, as you might see, I am at Burger King because they have this new dessert called Oreo Cheesecake. Now, it was $2.19 before tax. I don't have the receipt. Actually, they didn't give me it, which I should have asked for it. I do apologize, but for me, the total came to $2.34 after tax. Again, it's $2.19, and tax can be different everywhere. So mine was $2.34. But anyway, we're going to give this a try, and man, it looks good. Oreo cheesecake. Now I don't know if it's out for a limited time. It didn't say, but let's see. When you go to Burger King, and if they have it now, let's see if I recommend you get it or not. Hang on, I'll be back. I need to stop the camera. I need to hold it. I need to open the bag. So hang on. Alright, I'm back, you guys. And now, see, this is how the Oreo cheesecake looks like. I don't know if you can see it well. I can't rotate the camera, but it looks like they have some melted white chocolate. The Oreo bits, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see the bottom well, but it has basically the Oreo base center, and it's just like a cheesecake. Now let's try it. Oh, sorry about that. Let's try this back. Let's see if this is good. The base isn't hard. It was really soft. But let's try it. Yeah, that first bite, all I could taste was cream cheese. You know, the Oreo cheesecake. Let's try it one more time to see if we can get the actual cookies. That one was great. That was good. I did get some Oreo cookies. Hang on, someone's coming. Sorry about that, I don't know if you can hear me, but there's some cars just passed by. Again, like you tell the Oreo cheesecake, it's from Burger King. Fork it over, huh? It's funny. Fork it over. So again, it was $2.19 before tax. Oh, sorry about that, you guys. I'm using my phone. There's the base. Now it is a bit. Now this here. Now the total fat would be 18 grams, 25%. That's saturated fat, 8 grams, 39%. Trans fat, none. Cholesterol is 35 milligrams, 12%. The sodium is 310 milligrams, 13%. Sugars 25 grams. And the proteins, which is weird, 6 grams. And it's 350 calories. And it's sorry, I don't know if you can see it well. I can't rotate, so I do apologize. And the calories from the fat is 170. Now I don't know if you saw all that, but like I said, I can't rotate this, but this Oreo cake, Oreo cheesecake. It's actually pretty good. You know the base? The base does resemble an Oreo. It's really good. And this, I actually would recommend this. And because really, if you like Oreo and you like cheesecake, go get this. I think it's worth $2.19. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna finish the rest of this, and take care, you guys. Nightmare Boy Scout / Mr. Nightmare out.